Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi TT gear knob. First, gather your essential tools, which typically include a small flathead screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool. Always ensure your vehicle is in neutral and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety before you begin. Familiarize yourself with the gear knob assembly, noting how the gator connects to the console and the knob itself. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Next, focus on detaching the gear gator. Using your plastic trim removal tool, gently pry up the edges of the gator trim from the console. Work your way around the entire perimeter, carefully releasing all the retaining clips. There are typically 4 to 6 clips holding it in place. Once all clips are free, lift the gator upwards, sliding it over the gear stick to reveal the base of the knob. Now, let's unlock the gear knob itself. Look closely at the base of the gear knob where it meets the shaft. You will typically find a retaining clip or a threaded collar. If it's a clip, use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open or push it in to release the tension. For collar-style knobs, twist the collar counterclockwise by about 1/4 turn to loosen its grip. With the retaining mechanism released, the final step is to remove the knob. Grip the gear knob firmly and pull it straight upwards with steady, consistent pressure. It should slide off the shaft. Avoid twisting or using excessive force, as this could damage the shifter mechanism. To reassemble, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all clips and the gator trim snap securely back into their original positions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.